How to fix Twitter. Tweets aren't loading right now on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings, settings, and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again. And here all you need to do just type Twitter, or you can just scroll all the way down until you find Twitter and then click on it. And here we'll find the permissions. Click on it and check storage. Just allow storage and make sure it's allowed, and then go to storage here and clear cache, and after that click force stop, and then go back, go to your settings again, and here we'll find storage, and then click clean up. Now just clean some space, or you can just clean junk files, and that's it. Then just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.